In this video, we're going to see how to set the visibility of a layer by zoom level range. To illustrate that, let's look at the map for San Antonio, a map of storm prevention. So I go to my portal, view my map, I search for the map I'm interested in. Okay, storm prevention, I open it. On this map, I have 3 layers. So if I go to Legend, you see I have a layer for manholes, a point-based layer. I have a layer for channels, a line-based layer, and I have a layer for mandatory detention area, an area-based layer. You'll see that if I start zooming out, the layer for manhole becomes very cluttered with points on top of each other. It's not very sightly and it clutters the map. So what I want to do, I want to stop displaying the layer, the manhole layer, from a certain zoom level. I want to display that layer from street level up to that zoom level here. So to do that, I go to Layers, I choose Manholes, go to Actions, Edit Style, and you see the current visibility range of a layer going from zoom level 20 to zoom level 1. Zoom level 20 is at the street level, the closest zoom level to the ground, and zoom level 1 is zoom level at the world level. Currently, the map is at the zoom level 13, which corresponds to a zoom level at the district level. So I want to set the visibility range from zoom level 20 to 13. So I move to the right to adjust it to 13. Okay, I'm all set, so I click Save. And now I'm going to zoom out to show that the layer is no longer going to show. Alright, so now I can zoom out all the way to the city level, and you see that it doesn't show anymore for that layer. Now I can zoom back in and the layer is going to start to show. Now let me zoom out a little bit, and you see it doesn't show anymore. I zoom back in and it shows. One thing that I could do to improve that map is to place a polygon-based layer to represent the downtown area, so that you still see downtown without having that point-based layer that clutters the map. I go to Layers, Add Layer, and I'm going to add that data set. I search Downtown San Antonio and add it. Okay. Since this is area-based layer, I'm going to move it, I'm going to drag it to the bottom so that it displays last. Okay, I'm going to change the style very quick of that layer. I'm going to set it to a red and with some transparency. That way, I will see the outline of San Antonio from zoom level 1, which is the highest level, to zoom level 12. And then, once I get to zoom level 13 until zoom level 20, I will see the layer for the manholes. I click Save, and let's see that in action. Alright, I zoom out. And now you see the layer for downtown. Let me zoom in again. I'm going to switch to the manhole layer. Alright, let me zoom out again, and you'll see that it's going to go back to the layer for downtown outline.